This game of social media or of advertising is about changing your mindset. You need to approach this type of things as an investment. Just think about it. Let's say that you want to get into cryptocurrency or into the stock market. What do? You put your money up front and you get stocks or you get crypto. Or if you get into real estate, you put your money up front and you buy an apartment, a house, whatever, but you change your cash for an asset. The same happened online. When you invest your money in advertising, you get audience. You build an audience of people, you create data. You start collecting data, and this is an asset online. And it's completely up to you how you manage these assets in order for you to get profits.